The next point is commercialization. Under the stages in new product development, there are 7 stages and then 7 points. Moreover, my dear students, one more thing I have to add here. This particular PowerPoint is to be given through Classroom, Google Classroom to you all today after completion of this lecture or the topic or the chapter. And the beauty of this particular slide or PPT, every page full of 7 subpoints. 7 steps mean to say this PPT is 7 into 7. Different slides are there. Every slide has the 7 subpoints. I have tried a lot. Now come to the point. Commercialization is the next step or the next stage in new product development. What do you mean by commercialization? It means to say how you will commercialize your product. I'm not saying customize. Mean to say you have to throw your product in the market by stressing upon full scale production. Huge production you will make because of under different stages you got an idea, screen the idea, market analysis, concept testing, and test marketing you have done, market test you have done, and now earlier you have launched your product. Now you have to do commercialization of your product. Every corner of the society will be in the demand of your product, and you have no any particular segment or no any particular select market. The whole nation, whole world is your market, and you are spreading your product in the whole market with full scale production and full scale marketing, and you are again following the marketing mix. 4 points: product, price, place, promotion. These are to be followed, and now you have to focus on the product life cycle also. Why? Because of your product has covered or near to cover the introduction stage. As and when you will go to the growth stage, competitor will enter the market. See the challenge, see the threat, see the position of the market. You have to understand your marketing scenario at that moment again and focus upon again product life cycle. As we have discussed earlier in the previous chapter, you know very well there are first stages in case of the PLC: introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Moreover, revival and other stage or the decline stage is being discussed. Now, when you are in different stages of the product life cycle, you have to think about or take the decisions about the further investment or the expansion of your business. You know, okay, I can produce maximum, I can add one more plant for this product, I can do full scale marketing, I can select one more market. In this particular market, my product is in introduction stage. In another product or another market, my product is in growth stage. In other market, my product is in maturity stage. To cope up all them, I have to identify more markets and I have to sell my product in the different markets in different way. First, suppose I am selling my product in Northern India through email or mail marketing is there. Online bookings are there. In South, I am selling at on my retail outlet. In East or Eastern area, I am selling my product through the retailer, wholesaler, channel partners. Different modes, different markets, product is same. Therefore, I have to take the decisions. How much investment is to be made by you or made by me in that particular product. Now, if it is feasible and possible for me, I can make the strategic alliances with different countries, different governments. My product is very much famous. Government units are willing to purchase my product. I can provide. As you know, my dear students, Google Classroom is there. In your department, Smart Classroom is there. A particular Samsung organization is providing the Google Classroom as well as Smart Classroom hardware also. Dell is also selling their product online, offline, through retail outlet and through wholesaler retailer. Similar kind of these strategies are to be adopted by you in for your new product. And the last one is under this heading the commercialization is merger and acquisition. Sometimes what you see that a particular supplier is good and he can increase my business, or he or she can, or this particular firm can score a good score if I will make him or her as a partner. 1 plus 1, we can create the third. Merger may be there. I can acquire that particular firm if I am willing to establish or expand my business by establishing new plant, and other firm is sick and the sick firm is being purchased by me in that particular area or the market. I can boost up by investing in that particular unit and I can acquire. Therefore, during the commercialization, the 7 points are there: full scale production, full scale marketing, implement the marketing mix, focus upon the product life cycle, and you have to decide further investment or the expansions, make the strategic alliances, and go for mergers and acquisitions if possible. Then you can say, okay, my product is very much good and fit for societal commitments. It is my prime responsibility, being producer, that I have to do best for the betterment of the society and to boost the standard of living of the society.